We are going to describe in this video a simplified airport capacity calculation methodology according to the FAA graph method of airport capacity and delay. We start from the basis of a well-configured runway with 30 to 50 declared movements per hour, and with this method we are going to calculate maximum capacity, so we will have to multiply it by a 0.9 or 0.85 to get the declared capacity. The method is based on graphs. It's an empirical method, that is, they took a lot of data from airports in the 1970s, 1980s and distilled them to get some equations and graphs. In fact, there is a program from the year 1991, 1992 going around that even allows change some parameters and obtain this kind of results. These estimations are optimistic in Europe because they are based on USA data, where the ATC allows for narrower separations and so on, which is a little somewhat optimistic. And we have two documents with the same procedures, FAA 155,060-5 and FAA Road 74-124. One is older than the other. What happens is that no of the versions that you can find on the network is well scanned. Then, some graphs are better scanned in one document and other graphs are better scanned in the other document. Examples are better scanned in one than in the other. In the end, it is better to have both to be able to work. The difference is small, only some capacity graphs in poor visual conditions. We have some tables and graphs for calculating capacity and delay in visual, instrumental and marginal visual flight conditions. In this case, there is some different graph. The rest have different numeration but are the same, that is why it is better to choose the best document. And in the 74 to 124 examples are better scanned.